Guess what's in the box? Hey y'all, it's your girl Jenny. Let's unbox. Oh, I'm waiting to see what everyone's going to think is in the box. I'm so excited. Very excited. So, look like I got the box upside down. But it's okay. I'm reading hard on that one, huh? Ooh, look at that. Yay. Whew. I swear, they was not playing with their packaging.
Three, two, one.
Yay! A hat heat presser from HTVRONT. Yay! All right. So we have that because now we have the caps and cocktail parties that we're doing instead of sip and paint. We have caps and cocktails where you can put and design your own hats for the summer or for the fall, whichever one is best for you. Let's see what this is. All right. I tell you, this packaging, but I'm not mad at it. Alrighty, y'all. Here it is. It's our trucker hats. And you see the colors? We got white, black, blue, yellow, pink, hot pink, red, and a little bright yellow, green. All right, so this was a bundle, you guys, on their website where you can get the tumbler. You can get the heat press, and you can also get it with the hats. So it was just better to get both of them. So I said, why not? All right. So now let's see what else I have. Oh, and with the bundle, you also get a mystery package. This isn't it. So let's see what this is. Ooh, 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 ooh. Doing my happy girl dance. Yay, yay. All right. Oh, this packaging. You see, I'm having a world of a day with this one. Come on, come on, come on. And ta-da! Yes, yes, yes. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, so let's see what it's all entailing this. And I also got this from the HTVRONT website. Okay, let me help my husband out real quick. Sorry for that, you guys. Didn't want to show you all my goodies, but sorry about that. All right, so let's see. Okay, these are the bottom of the buttons. And this all comes in the package, and that's the top of it. And this is the actual it's a cutter. It's a circle cutter. Yeah. I can't wait to use it. And then those are the plastic that goes over it. So of course you can use these for, you got your graduations coming up, your memorials, your birthday parties, your gender reveal parties. You can use this for many things. So there you go. So this is how it comes. My next tutorial is going to be how to use it for both, for the hat presser along with the button machine. I just wanted to unbox it, and I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I can't buy everything at one time, and that's one of the things that I want to really let you guys know, just because you don't have the money, you can actually go online at HTVRONT also have discounts. They if you sign up for their email, they'll send you something for 20%, 10%, 30%. It just depends on the season. And remember, I told you this was the mystery package that came along with the bundle, which was the hat press and the hat. So let's see what I got. Let's see. Y'all, I don't think y'all understand how excited I was to see what they sent me this time. The last time I got sublation paper as one of my gifts, as one of my mystery gifts. Oh my goodness. It came right on time. All right. Oh, look at that. So I love their tape. And that's actually the thicker tape than what I normally purchase. So let's see what this is. Let's see. Yes. Did you see how excited I was? That's the sublimation, the HTV sublimation. So if you want to sublimate on dark cotton or on dark polyester, you can use that to assist with your printing. Yes, I love it. I normally purchase it from Amazon, but I'm kind of glad I got it for as a mystery gift. So, but I do go through a lot of it. So let's unbox. Let's see. You know, I wanted to just see what color I got, because online you can have purple, white. I forgot the other color. So that's what you sit your hat on, okay? And that's your carrying bag. All right, so that's what the hat will be placed on. And alrighty now. So you see the glass over that, the little case. So you'll put the case underneath the cap top that I just showed you. So let's see what color. Alrighty, y'all. I got a white one. A whoop whoop. Yes. I can't wait to do the tutorial of me doing my first hat, y'all. I'm so excited because I was using my small Cricut one. And it didn't get, it did a lot. I had to really keep rolling it. So, yay, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. So we're going to pack it up. So our next video that I do hopefully will be me using it for the first time, unless I have something else that I have to do for you guys. So thank y'all for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a good day. Well, I went too fast. Let's close up everything. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.